This is a breakup pullback of this range.
Order filled.
I mean, it was a leg break, new low. Technically, we are all set for long. It's a good long. You guys with me? Channel, this is the first break, and this is the channel now. First time we exit this channel, we break out of this channel and make a new low. So it's a good valid long, good feel here. Let's see. Come on, guys. Anybody long? Sit tight. Don't touch anything now. Let's see where is the next peak. If we will be 6 points in the money, we will move to break even. And we are willing to lose these 6 points to get 15. It's a good trade. That was a channel, and that's the reason I didn't like this. Look what they did to you. They just took you out for a tick, and they went up. Now it's okay to move to break even. Now sit tight. Let's see our chart again. This looks like a valid target. 62. Sit tight. Sit tight. Even if they take these 6 points, we're not doing anything now. Now, once we are 8 points in the money or 9 points, let's see, we will trail the last bar. And then I will move this even further. Be ready to move your stop here below this bar once we are closing with this one. Okay, nice. Trail it here. We are booking 7 points or whatever it is. Why I do it? Because this channel got its break a new high, so this thing can reverse on us. We don't know.
Filled.
Okay, out 7 points. Good trade. Because this channel got its break in a new high. You see that? That's it. It's simple, guys. We sit and sit and sit and wait. And if you are in, stay in. It's okay. The reason I trailed it here was this simple thing. This channel got a break and a high. So technically, this thing could reverse. But if you are in and still want to hold it, yeah, target this thing. But you take 7 points. And we risk, how much we risk? 2.5 points? Yeah, 2.5 points. That was a good trade.